এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আৰু বহুত কথা আমাৰ পাতিবলগীয়া আছে। এখন হেণ্ডবুকো বনোৱা হৈছে। এখনো বহুত কষ্টসাধ্য এখন ইনভেষ্টিগেটিং অফিচাৰৰ কাৰণে, যিসকলে NDPS এক্টত অধীনৰ কেছখিনি চাই তেওঁলোকে কি ফ'ল' কৰিব লাগে, নহ'লে কনভিকশ্যন নাপায়, জেলৰ পৰা ওলাই যায়। আমাৰ কৰিবলগীয়া নিশ্চয়কৈ বহুত আছে আৰু ইমানগাল ধৰি আছোঁ যদিও বস্তুটো শেষ হ'বলগীয়া নাই। প্ৰধান চাহেবে অলপ দেৰি আগতে তাকে কৈছে, এখন অথাই সাগৰৰ নিচিনা মানে চলিয়ে থাকিব যেতিয়ালৈকে ম্যানমাৰ নিচিনা ৰাজ্যত ড্ৰাগ ইকনমিটোৱে ৰাজ্যখন চলাৰ প্ৰধান উপাদেয় হয়। Anyway, I request Mr. Pradhan, SN Pradhan. He's been my batchmate and we've been very good friends for quite some time, for years together now, and he is now heading the Narcotic Control Bureau of India, and he's been in touch with the rest of the world also in different aspects on the issues of drugs, and they have been absolutely helpful for Assam Police, and we are very grateful to NCB for the new bonhomie that we have created over the months now, and we pledge to take it forward in a manner that we can render Assam drug-free, Northeast drug-free, and India drug-free. Over to Mr. SN Pradhan, Director General, NCB.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhaskar. First of all, I must thank and compliment Bhaskar and his team of Assam Police for taking this initiative forward. As I told in my address, that NCB's job is to coordinate, to give a platform so that states can come together with the central organizations like NCB, like DRI, like Customs, like other organizations, so that we work as Team India. As I said, drug is borderless, without borders. So if you don't work in tandem and if you continue to work state by state, you will probably not get the bigger picture. As I said, Assam Police, if it chases a single case of drug, it might find that more than 2 or 3 or maybe dozen states are involved. Maybe criminals from 20 states are involved. Maybe criminals from other countries are involved. So recently NCB has offered its whatever expertise it has. I'm not saying that we are the best expert body, but whatever expertise or whatever facilitation we can make, because we are in touch with international agencies like DEA, like the French police, like the Australian National Police. So we can help in connecting the dots at the international level, connecting the dots at the state level, because what happens normally, Assam Police has done exceptionally well, but many state polices, they stop short because the case ramifications go beyond its borders. So suppose 5 states are involved. The state police stops the case, and because it has so much work, you cannot blame the state police also. Even for Assam Police, drugs is one of the issues. It has several other issues to fight. So to expect it to give time and effort 100% is a little difficult. That is when a national agency like NCB can come in. So to cut it short, as the word has been mentioned by my good friend Bhaskar, that NCB can be the Sutradhar, can be the coordinating point, can be the platform. We are on the mission of being an effective platform, coordinating and facilitating all the efforts of the state police, because please remember, out of the drug seizures in the country, nearly 90% is done by state police. Very understandable, because there are 15 lakh state police men personnel, and those 15 lakh as against a few thousands which combining NCB, DRI, Customs, etc. So obviously the state police will make the bulk of the seizures, but will there be interstate ramifications, international ramifications? That is when they can get the facilitation from NCB and we can all work as one team. That is why it is so essential to coordinate like this, and this is why we started What Better State to start, where already the war against drug has been launched. And again, I compliment the Assam government and the state police specifically under the leadership of my good friend Bhaskar, that they have launched the war against drugs. And in fact, it was launched by the dear departed General Bipin Rawat. So again, I think it's a fitness of things that in the tribute to him and tribute to the worthy son that he was to the motherland, I think we carry on this mission together with hands joined and as one team, without any exceptions, as one team, so that we carry the mission and the message of drug-free Assam and drug-free India forward. That's all.
Mr. Pradhan, I have a question. I'm Aniruddha from Republic TV regarding the drug network. Particularly if we see the Northeast shares a very porous border, particularly with Myanmar. And if I'm not wrong, NCB was supposed to use some drone and other technologies, particularly in the border area, to monitor the network and the routes of drug trade. So how much progress has been made in this regard so far?
Well, I cannot share the details because of the confidentiality, but I can tell you that the intelligence organizations of this country are working in tandem with NCB. They are using all resources at their command, and I'll leave it at that all resources at their command are being used to provide us the inputs. And as we speak, we are in the process of interfacing with DEA specifically. DEA, as you know, the Drug Enforcement Administration of USA, is not only a pan-USA body, it's a pan-world body. It keeps a tab on the entire network and the movements of drugs that is happening across the world. So they are in touch with us. As I said, the French and the Australian police and the Canadian police are in touch with us. And the European countries like Holland are in touch with us. They are the victim states of drugs that are emanating from the Golden Triangle and the Golden Crescent. So I think we are in the right direction. I will be the first one to say that it is the beginning of the war. It is certainly, it's a long battle. But I think we are getting there.
Before yesterday also in Manipur, drug worth 500 crores were seized and women from Mandalay who is married to a Chinese citizen has been arrested. Anything that you can share in this regard?
In fact, as a follow-up of that, another 10 kgs was recovered. 10 kgs in crystal meth has been recovered. As I was mentioning, methamphetamine is the drug of choice of the immediate future and the foreseeable future. This is going to be a menace. This is going to be a very big problem, not only in the Northeast and Myanmar borders, across India and across the world. You will be surprised that the natural grown heroin is also being supplemented strongly from Afghanistan by methamphetamine, which is artificial, which is chemically done. So again, we have already started talking to Assam Rifles and the Manipur police, and as a result of that, again with Assam Rifles, we got the 10 kgs yesterday. Only yesterday we have got. It is the same kind of a consignment. So we are trying to focus on this meth business because you understand that a lot of yaba tablets are coming in from Myanmar. It's all chemically driven. So I think we'll have to focus more and more on this, and we are working on it.
Thank you. কি হয়
নেশ্যনেল ক্ৰাইম ব্যুৰোৰ ৰিপৰ্ট এটা ওলাইছে তাত মানে অসম পুলিচৰ বিৰুদ্ধে বেছিকৈ উত্তৰ ৰৈ আছে মানে অসম হাইষ্টত 1 নম্বৰত আছে
বিৰুদ্ধে ভাল কথা আকৌ এইটো কাৰণ আমাৰ পলিচি অফ ন' ননচেন্স আছে পুলিচৰ বেইমানি হওক বা পুলিচে ক'ৰবাত দুখ কৰিলে আমাৰ জিৰ' টলাৰেঞ্চ পলিচি তাৰে এটা উদাহৰণ এইটো এণ্ড কিমান পুলিচ এৰেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ আমি ড্ৰাগছৰ লগত ইনভল্ভ তাকে কথা পাতিছোঁ RPFৰ ইনস্পেক্টৰ এজনৰ লগত আমাৰ এনকাউণ্টাৰ হৈছে মৰিছে সিদিনা আছাম ৰাইফলছৰ এজন 2IC এজন এৰেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ আছাম পুলিচৰ কনষ্টেবল এজন গুলি খাইছে কিমান পুলিচ আমি এৰেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ অফক'ৰ্ছ জিৰ' টলাৰেঞ্চ পলিচি ইভেন অন পুলিচ বাই পুলিচ চ' এইটো ভাল কথাহে আপোনালোকে ক্লেপ দিব লাগে থেংক ইউ সেইখিনি আৰু কিমান পাতিব It is only a matter of time. Nobody will go scot-free. I can assure you of that. Thank you.
Thank you.
চাহ চবেই খালে নে?
DB News.